وأنذر به الذين يخافون أن يحشروا إلى ربهم ليس لهم من دونه ولي ولا شفيع لعلهم يتقون.
And warn with this revealed message those who fear that they shall be mustered to their Lord, that there will be none apart from Allah to act as their protector and intercessor. Then maybe they will become God-fearing.
ولا تطرد الذين يدعون ربهم بالغداة والعشي يريدون وجهه ما عليك من حسابهم من شيء وما من حسابك عليهم من شيء فتطردهم فتكون من الظالمين.
And do not drive away those who invoke their Lord in the morning and the evening, seeking His pleasure all the time. You are by no means accountable for them, just as they are by no means accountable for you. If you still drive them away, you will become among the wrongdoers.
وكذلك فتنا بعضهم ببعض ليقولوا أهؤلاء من الله عليهم من بيننا أليس الله بأعلم بالشاكرين.
Thus we've made some of them a means to test others, so that they should say, are these the ones among us upon whom Allah has bestowed His favor? Yes, does Allah not know well who are the thankful?
وَإِذَا جَاءَكَ الَّذِينَ يُؤْمِنُونَ بِآيَاتِنَا فَقُلْ سَلَامٌ عَلَيْكُمْ كَتَبَ رَبُّكُمْ على نفسه الرحمة أنه من عمل منكم سوءا بجهالة ثم تاب من بعده وأصلح فأنه غفور رحيم.
And when those who believe in our signs come to you, say to them, peace be upon you, your Lord has made mercy incumbent upon Himself, so that if any one of you does a bad deed out of ignorance, and thereafter repents, and makes amends, surely you will find Him all forgiving, all compassionate.
وَكَذَلِكَ نُفَصِّلُ الْآيَاتِ وَلِتَسْتَبِينَ سَبِيلُ الْمُجْرِمِينَ.
Thus do we clearly set forth our signs, that the way of the wicked might become distinct.